Hello students, myself Professor Urpita Dash and the course name which I am going to teach you, that is Wireless Communication and Networks. In my previous lecture, what we have learned, that is what is wireless communication, what are the different wireless channels, what is the evolution of wireless technology, what is the history behind the wireless technology. And in my last lecture we have the brief idea about the generation of mobile telephony from first generation to fifth generation. In first generation we have different standard available in different countries. First one is NTT, which is available in Japan. Then comes the NMT, Nordic Mobile Telephony. Then the most popular AMPS, Advanced Mobile Phone System, which is developed in USA. Actually, it is developed in Chicago, and then it is become most popular in US. And then comes the TACS, Total Access Communication System, which is popular in European countries. So in my last session we have the brief discussion over that, and in this presentation we are going to discuss the cellular structure of 1G mobile telephony and also the disadvantage of mobile telephony from first generation. So let's start. See, this is the evolution of mobile phone communication. In 1980, this is the first generation of mobile telephony, and we can see it is a heavy, bulky in size, and battery life is very poor. Security problem is a very important issue here, because the network is not secure and there is no encryption method applied in it, and therefore anyone can tap your message, and the cost is very high, and the only service available is voice service. No other service is available. It is based on cellular structure, but it is analog in nature. Then in 1990 to 2000, the available technology is second generation mobile telephony, and the multiple access technique is time division multiple access. For GSM architecture, when it goes added GPRS and edge technology, the bit rate have been increased. First, the speed is 50 kbps and the maximum speed was 2 mbps, where for first generation mobile telephony the speed is only 2.4 kbps. And in 2010 here comes the smartphone, that is 3G, and the multiple access technique is WCDMA. Then from up to 2020, what we have used, we are accustomed with the 4G mobile technology and LTE advanced technology, and within 2030 we assume that we are now available with the 5G technology. We are ready to welcome the 5G technology. See, again, this is the pictorial representation. The only voice service is available for 1G technology, and for 2G the voice service and also the simple messaging service is also available. Speed is maximum 2 mbps, not more than that. And for 3G the speed is up to 64 mbps, and for 4G the speed is up to maximum 300 mbps, and for 5G we are expecting to reach gbps, that is giga mbits per second. See, this is the most limitation of the first generation mobile telephony. The capacity is limited, spectrum utilization is poor, frequency division multiple access technique is used, and security issue is the big issue, and the analog devices are very large, heavy, power inefficient and high cost. Obviously the call cost was very high that time. See, this is the simple first generation mobile network, and this is the public switch telephone network, that is PSTN, and landline is connected to the PSTN network, and PSTN is further connected with the MTSO. MTSO means mobile telecommunication switching center, or rather we can say that it is also known as MSC, mobile switching center. and MSC is again connected to several BTS. BTS is base transceiver station. BTS is again connected to the handset of mobile phone. This is the simple architecture of 1G mobile network, and the elements of 1G mobile network is RAN, radio access network, consists of number of base station and its coverage area, which is known as cell. This is known as RAN, radio access network. Then comes the CN, core network. RAN is connected by wired with MSC, mobile switching center, and MSC is connected with PSTN. As we seen in the in my previous slide, MSC is connected in the PSTN. So this is the core network and this is the RAN. MSC and CN together form the CN. Then comes the mobile terminal. It is connected wirelessly with RAN. So there are disadvantages of first generation mobile telephony. When we are moving from one central base station to other or traveling across the countries, roaming is not supported by 1G. Lack of efficient use of frequency spectrum due to misuse of channel spacing, and another big problem is security. Anyone can tap your phone very easily. So this is all about the first generation technology. We learned about the different first generation technology available in different countries, the structure, simple core structure of the 1G technology, and the disadvantage of 1G technology. In my next presentation, I will try to give you the idea of cordless telephony, and then we move on to the GSM architecture. That is, we are now going to enter in the second generation telephony, and hope you enjoy the presentation, and again we will meet in my next presentation. Thank you very much.